Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into GroupMe, a free group messaging app, and how to use it. So let's get started. GroupMe is like a group chat but way more organized. You can create groups for anything from study sessions and event planning to work teams or just chatting with friends. It works on iPhone, Android, and even through a web browser. Now let's move to the second part, how to use it. First, what you need to do is open up your app store, then search GroupMe on your search bar at the top. After that, tap in GroupMe with this icon. Once you're in, you'll see the install option here and tap it on install and then open your app. After you're in, first thing you have to do is create an account or sign up with your phone number, email or Microsoft account. After that, once you're inside GroupMe, you can tap the plus sign button to start a new group, give it a name and start adding people from your contacts, or join an existing group with an invite link or QR code too. So you can also send messages, share photos, videos, GIFs and even polls. GroupMe also lets you mute notification for specific chats if things get too busy. Also, you can send private messages to people in your groups without creating a new chat, and there's a built-in calendar for planning events, and you can customize your avatar and group photos too. It's super clean and easy to use. So this is how you can use your GroupMe. It's simple, free and perfect for keeping all your group conversations in one place. Try it out and get your group chats organized today. I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, like and comment down below if you have any questions. So see you in the next video. Bye.